exciting day here at Tampah Hills. We have Villa V ready. We are parking here in the bottom, having this super nice natural stone stairway coming into the villa. Join. So coming into the villa, we're coming into this beautiful kitchen, dining, like living room area with this sunken sofa overlooking the infinity pool. And we have the ocean straight to the south and then the mountains to the east where the sun will rise. And then this beautiful backdrop that is just the Tampah Valley and the top. When it's clear, you see Rinjani over the mountains to the north. It's just a spectacular positioned villa. Throughout the entire villa, we have those black wood strips in the inner ceiling. And all the flooring, some of the walls is this pigmented, polished cement, smooth finish. So it's a very minimalistic designed villa. This is a beautiful kitchen. Just look at this kitchen island and the kitchen counter on that side and the marble coming up on the wall. Yeah, stunning. Wow. Yeah, walking out to this sun terrace and those sun lounges here. Yeah, this is absolutely stunning. Yeah, I wish you were here with me, experience this, as this is absolutely unbelievable. And here, coming into this second living room, which is nice. So if you're several people here, you can hang out in that living room. You can come to here if you want to be private, read a book or watch the TV, or just read or sleep and just enjoy this. Here we're coming into the master bedroom. It's of course a very well positioned bedroom with limitless views. Beautiful desk in the back if you want to do some work from the bedroom. Walking into the master bathroom, and you have this beautiful tones on the walls and the floors, and even the sink with the same finishing with this beautiful view. And out in this lush garden where you have the outdoor shower, yeah, for those who wants the tropical experience, this is the shower for you, right? So just being here, even in the nighttime, you can see the stars, and yeah, this is beautiful. Waking up in the morning, walking out to this terrace, you have the sun coming up here, and then this beautiful infinity pool. Probably you'll see Rinjani, the volcano, 3,700 meters high over the mountains there. And this amazing pool. I think this is one of my favorite social pools, as you have one very shallow part here. You can be in the shade. Here you have another shallow part and those beautiful stairs, and then the big lap section. So this is a lovely pool. The villa has 3 bedrooms. We have the master bedroom here, very private, and 2 more bedrooms in the bottom. So very good for 3 couples or families. And of course, for those who love the sun, this is the terrace for you. So walking down to the bedrooms below, you're walking around the villa with this natural stone pathway and this beautiful stone walls around the pool. Here we're coming around to the 2 lovely bedrooms in the bottom. Wow. Yeah, this is a cozy bed. And walking into the bathroom here. And this large shower here where you can dance around. And just right next to it, we have another bedroom here with an ensuite bathroom like the other one, and both with this beautiful ocean view.